Introducing the all-new Tenda Nova WiFi7 Mesh ME3 Pro 3-pack. Your ultimate solution for whole home coverage, ideal for villas or large apartments. Let's take a look at the box design. The packaging is compact yet premium, clearly showcasing Wi-Fi 7 and highlighting key features such as NFC Tap-to-Connect, one-click mesh setup, ultra-fast B3600 speed, mesh Wi-Fi system for seamless coverage. On the side of the box, you'll find detailed technical specifications, and on the back, there's a mesh topology diagram that illustrates real-world coverage, along with package contents, usage scenarios like IPTV, smart homes, and large area wireless coverage. Now, let's unbox it. Inside, you'll find 3 beautifully designed mesh routers in sleek white. Each packed with individual power adapters. LED indicator for status display. Rear air ventilation for heat dissipation. One-click mesh sync button. Reset button. 3 gigabit Ethernet ports. 1 power connection port. Bottom label with full product details, model, serial number, etc. Bonus, the box includes NFC stickers to make client connection a breeze. Just tap and connect. Stay tuned for our installation guide video and more tips on making the most of your Nova Wi-Fi 7 Mesh ME3 Pro.